Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying hardware compatibility. You must know that the monitor and cable can handle 1280x1024 at 60Hz. Once done, open Display Settings and note the current resolution and refresh rate so you can revert if needed. Make sure you have the correct graphics driver or adapter driver downloaded. This prevents interruptions. If using adapters, identify active versus passive types because that affects signal handling. Now, proceed to driver updates and mode configuration to apply the preferred setting. You next update or reinstall the graphics driver. This fixes missing resolutions. Use Device Manager or the vendor installer and reboot when prompted. After reboot, open the GPU control panel or a custom resolution utility to add 1280x1024 at 60Hz. Set timing to standard CVT or reduced blanking if necessary. Once created, apply the mode. Then go to Display Settings and select the new resolution. If the option doesn't appear immediately, restart the system again to ensure the drive. You finish by confirming scaling and aspect ratio so the image is not stretched. Select 1 pixel mapping or set scaling to display driver control if available. Once applied, test for stable performance. If the screen goes black, wait 15 seconds for the fallback or press the revert option and boot into safe mode to undo changes. If the resolution still fails, swap the cable or use an active adapter. This often resolves EDID or signal handshake issues. Finally, recheck drivers and try the custom mode again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.